Hello, this is my ideal house because the very curious and beautiful encounter is in Japan. It is a peculiar house that is built vertically, which makes it seem small although it is designed for 3 people and measures 50 square meters. There are 2 floors. There is a kitchen with a stove in front of the refrigerator. There is a dining room with a table and 3 chairs of different designs. There is a cupboard. Above there is a air conditioning. There is a big bathroom with a shower, and there is a toilet. There is a very nice game room. There is a bedroom with large window. There is a hall. There are no chairs in the room. There is a computer and there is a table. On the table is an ornament. There is a balcony of the living room and it looks very cool and peaceful. This was my presentation. Thank you for your attention.